So in this screencast, I'm going to show you how to sync items on your screen to the audio. As an example here, I have some fly-in animations on the words German, music, Americans, and so on. So what I want is for the word Germans to fly in from the left and music to fly in from the right as you hear those words in the audio. So I've already got the animations set up on these words. So to do that, you need to create what are called cue points. So you do this as you're listening to the audio by pressing the letter C on your keyboard. So in this case, I want the word Germans to fly in when I hear the word German. I'll press the letter C on the keyboard. So I'll demonstrate it now. So in order to listen to the audio, you press the play button. There is like a 3-second delay or something after you press the play button. So watch out for the timeline here for the letter C to appear as I'm pressing it on the keyboard when I hear those words that are on the screen.
Campaigns. For example, Germans, music. Americans, genealogy and the old country. UK, getaway and short breaks.
Now, so that was just a really quick example, but you can see that they're not quite right. You can see like the word UK was said just a little bit beforehand, so you can drag them along the timeline manually as well. So I'm going to move these kind of more to where I think they're right. So that's about right now. So now that I've created the cue points, I need to align the objects to them. So to do that, you need to click on the object on the timeline. So I can click on this screen here, which selects it in the timeline. And once you have that selected, just right click on the object and you have this option here, align to cue point, and then you're just going to choose the relevant one. So Germans was cue point 1, as we can see here, because that was the first one. Then music goes to cue point 2, Americans 3, genealogy and the old country was to 4, and then UK 5, and getaways and short breaks was 6. So just to show you what the slide kind of will look like at the end, so you can hit your little preview button up here and choose this slide.
It's important to note that different people come to Ireland for different reasons, so it stands to reason that we need different campaigns. For example, Germans, music. Americans, genealogy and the old country. UK, getaway and short breaks. Click into each of these 4.
So that just gives you kind of an example of what it was. Obviously there was things missing from the start, as I was just showing you an example. But that's really it when it comes to syncing up audio.